Welcome here. Today I'm working on my truck, a 1972 C10. I have just recently sent tires in or the rims in to get new tires put on. I painted the rims on Monday and today is Wednesday. And so now they're going to get new rubber on them, and I will put them on hopefully later today. But right now I'm doing the front shocks, seeing as how the rims are off now anyways. May as well do the front shocks while I can. So I am going to head out. Let's grab an extra battery for the impact. So this is my 72 C10. It's in mint condition, as you can see. It's probably been shedded its whole life, never out in the rain. It was never abused or used as a farm truck or been in any fender benders. It's just absolutely perfect. No rust to speak of. All factory parts, not some sort of hack grill put in there or anything like that. Bumper is beautiful, and I think that's a trailer blinker in there. Yeah, he's a work in progress. So yeah, I'm gonna try taking these shocks off. So I lubed them up a little bit, the bolts. This one, it's like a factory pin. It's got a nut on the other side of the frame there. So from the other side you got to take off a 15/16 nut. Apparently it's supposed to be torqued to 140 foot-pounds. I already loosened it with the breaker bar and I'm going to take it off now. And my new shocks came with this new pin. So you put it into the frame like that, and then you tighten the nut on from the back side, and then you can always take the shock off from this side. I don't know what this one has here, but it's not the same thing. So I'm just taking it off from the other side and replacing it. I want to replace all of this. This is a manual steering system. I need to get a power steering system for this guy. They're not cheap though. Just recently put exhaust on it. It had just downpipes off of the muffler here, so I just put a tailpipe or an exhaust pipe out just in front of the rear tires on both sides. Yeah, it's got some rust that I gotta fix. So new cab corners, floor, rockers, and I don't know, those cab support frame pieces there. But anyways, getting distracted here. Gonna see if I can get this thing off of here. All right. It's a 3/4 inch wrench and socket. now. Gotta take this little stud thing, put it up in there. I don't know what size that is. Not even close to 3/4.
You gotta take the old shocks off and put the new ones on.
Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing.
That's how I know what you're doing today, okay. That's the first time I was gonna ask you before. No, I didn't.
Okay, so that's a 15/16 wrench. And socket on the other side. Don't ask me how I'm gonna start this. Oh, look at that. There we go. Torqued it to 140. So that's it. That's it for that side. Obviously it's the same on the other side, so I'll just head over and do that. So it turns out on this side my header's in the way. So I gotta take my header off. I already broke most of them loose. Not that one yet. 7/16 bolts. You would never believe how handy these wobble extensions are. I don't know, am I in the camera when I'm doing that here? That's fantastic. It works really well. Did I say wobble extenders? Wobble extensions? Whatever. They wobble. Uh-oh. Wobbling ain't gonna be enough for that one. Switch to a 1/4 inch because the socket was binding on the header pipe. So this should give me a little more clearance inside the header. And it does. Okay, one more, and that one I got to do with a wrench. Looks like this wasn't sealing very well here. Or here. Not sure how to address that other than getting a new gasket that fits. So I may have to do that one of these days. For now, I'll just put this guy back on. But yeah, it's leaking out up here too. Huh. Like, subscribe, stay tuned. I do a lot of farm content and a little bit of mechanical type content. I work on my vehicles because I don't want to pay a mechanic to do it most of the time.